Alright, so in this recording we're going to talk about how to use arguments in Python. So when you go to the command prompt, you type in the program name, you want to pass in some values, use those values. This is how we do it. First thing you want to do is you want to import the system library, create a variable. In this case I'm calling it ARGS. It's going to hold the values from the command prompt, whatever the user typed in. So it starts from the value 1 to wherever, or whenever the string stops. Then I'm just going to print out the string length, which is how many characters, or I'm sorry, how many input the user typed in. And I'm going to print the first string. The first string is denoted with the index 0. So in this case it's ARGS 0. And then we have string number 2, which is index number 1. And then string number 3, which is index number 2. So in your program, what you want to do is you want to build in a try and catch. Make sure that if the user types in too many input, you can catch it with whatever you want to do with it. To run this, I'm going to open up the Python program. I'm going to pass in 3 values: hello, world, and a number. Hit enter. And then we have our results. Hello there. Okay, there are 3 input. Hello, world, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope this helps you understand how to use arguments in Python. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.